If we want to find the GCF, or greatest common factor, of three monomials, we're going to follow the same steps as
You
for
might
two
need to click the
monomials.
breakout room button.
So we start with prime factorizations. Okay, so we've got 60x squared y to the fourth in this example. So let's start by factoring 60. 60 is, well, that's 6 times 10. 6 is 2 times 3, and 10 is 2 times 5. And these are all prime factors now, and we can't go any farther. So that's a prime factorization of 60, and let's do 150 and 45 while we're at it. So 150, that would be 10 times 15. Again, 10 is 2 times 5. 15 is 3 times 5. And now these are all prime. And let's do 45. So 45, that would give us 5 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So now we're going to make our table. We've got 60x squared y to the fourth, and 150x cubed y to the third power, or y cubed, and 45x cubed y to the fifth. And we're going to expand these out into their factorizations using what we just did up here. So 60, that's, we've got 2 2s, a 3, and I'm going to skip a column here because we see we've got 2 3s coming up there in the 45 factorization. So, and then we've got a 5 as the last factor of 60. Then we've got, so x to the fourth, or sorry, x squared is 2x's. 1, 2, and I'm going to skip another column because I see these x cubes here. So we're going to need a space for an extra x in the lower rows. And then we got 4 y's. Y, 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 y. This all multiplies out to 60x squared y to the fourth. And we do the same thing for the remaining 2 monomials. So let me just fill that in quick here. I realize I missed a column, so let me adjust that. So we've got 3 x's and 3 y's for the x cubed, y cubed. And then the 45, we've got 2 3's and a 5. And then x cubed, 3 more x's, and 5 y's this time. Oh. Five y's. And there we go. All right, so now the next step, we're looking for the common factors. So step 2, find common factors. So here we're going to go through our table column by column and look for columns where we have 3 copies of the same factor, because we have 3 monomials we're factoring, so we need columns with 3 of the same entry. So there's no column full of 2's, but there is a column full of 3's, and a column full of 5's. Got a couple of columns full of x's. And we've got 3 columns full of y's. So putting this all together, we've got 3, 5, x, x, y, y, y in common. And the last step, the GCF, we multiply everything out. It's 3 times 5 times x times x times y times y times y. 3 times 5 is 15, x times x is x squared, and y times y is y to the third power. So this is our final answer.